तुमने मेरे को नहीं चांस दिया।
Yes. Okay, Chaitanya. So, good morning, kids. How are you all? We are meeting after so long time, right? Yes or no? Right. So, just now, Sheetal Didi has said the Zoom logs, right? So, you know what are we going to do? You are going to zip log. Yes, yes. Look here, look at me. What you are going to do?
मैम साउंड नहीं आ रहा है।
Wait. Now you will hear. Are you able to hear me now? Yes. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, yes, Didi.
Okay. So what are you going to do? You are going to zip lock your lip. Okay. आपको मुंह अभी लॉक करना है. And you have to give that keys to me and शीतल दीदी. आप आपका मुंह लॉक करेंगे और वो कीज शीतल दी और काजल दी को देंगे. Okay. लॉक कीजिए. I'll give you 1 minute time. You are going to zip lock and give that keys to me. And Sheetal Didi or Kajal Didi will call out your name. That time only we will give you the key. तब तक आपको कुछ बोलना नहीं है. You have to be on mute mode. Okay? Clear? So I'll give you 1 minute time. Quickly zip lock your mouth. Quickly. देखो Kajal Didi has also zip lock.
दीदी क्या करना है?
मुंह लॉक करना है बेटा. You have to lock your mouth and give the keys. Throw the keys on Didis quickly. So if you have locked your mouth, you will not speak. Clear? Quickly. ऐसे मुंह आपको lock करना है. Didi, you can stop the screen for a while. Just for a while, I will show them.
Yeah.
Yes, look at me. You have to zip quickly. Yes. ROE has kept finger on your lip, but don't keep finger on your lip. Just zip lock, give the keys. We are going to catch now. Yes, throw the keys. Zip lock, throw the keys. Yes, excellent, very good. So now, when Didi will call out your name, that time only we will give you the keys. Okay. So this is one game, and this is rule number 1. So your mouth are locked and keys are with Didi. So when Didi will call out your name, that time Didi will give you the key. Clear? Clear? Okay. And if anybody tries to break the rule without taking keys from Didi, अगर Didi से key लिए बगैर अगर आपने बातें की, so you will be out of the game. ठीक है? Let's start. Clear? Show thumbs up quickly. Yay, great. And a smiling face. Okay, cheese. Great. That's great. So let's start with our today's session.
Should I?
Yes, Didi, you can share the.
Yeah.
Yes. So before moving towards our topic, आज का topic क्या है? ये जानने से पहले we'll do a small activity, okay? An interesting activity. So what you have to do, you have to be ready with your book and pencil. आपको आपकी book, you have to be ready with your book and one pencil. ठीक है? And you know what are you going to do? Didi will call out a thing. Didi एक चीज बोलेगी. Didi will call out a thing, and you have to just draw that thing. Clear? Is it clear? Like for example, if Didi says plant, so you have to draw plant quickly. करेंगे हम, and you don't have to color that. Just simple draw करना है आपको. Okay, and for this activity, Didi will give you 3 to 4 minutes. Clear? So you are going to draw that thing. You have to listen properly and draw. Clear? So your first drawing, your first thing which you will draw is plant. You can also see onto the chat section. Your first thing is plant. Just look at the chat section also. So your first thing is plant. You have to draw a plant. A small plant. A small plant बेटा, कोई भी plant हो. You can draw a small plant, a small tree, कुछ भी. Okay, quickly. If you are done, you can quickly put thumbs up. A small tree जो हम निकालते हैं. Okay. Now put thumbs up. Or you will not speak because your keys are with Didi. Didi के पास चाबियां है, so you will not speak. Clear? You will only type chat on chat box and thumbs up. हम सिर्फ chat box use करेंगे और emojis use करेंगे. Yes, Arohi is done. Great. एक ही draw. Plant, एक small tree draw करना है. Okay, Mahi is done.
Ma'am, which book?
Your EVS book or your rough book. Any book beta. It's just a simple activity. Clear? Now your second thing is, okay, Sundaram is done, very good. Your second thing is, listen properly. Second thing is pencil. Second thing is pencil. Pencil. You can also see on the chat box, Didi has typed for you. Your second thing is pencil. उसके साइड में ड्रॉ करो, no problem. Small tree and after that or a plant. उसके बाद आपको ड्रॉ करना है small pencil. Okay, Mahi is done. Excellent, Mahi. Let me see who is second. Himanshu. Okay, Himanshu is drawing. Arohi done. Nandan done. Very nice. You can also use emojis. Yes, Arohi good. Adarsh done. Sundaram, Sumojit. Very nice. Great. So let's move on to the third drawing. Okay. So the third drawing is listen and see on the chat box also. So your third drawing or your third thing is cat. A small cat. 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 Quickly. You can draw two circle or and a tail. Two circle and a tail. So cat ban gayi. Put eyes and nose.
Ma'am, first.
Wait, I'll again read out. Jivika, just a minute. Your keys are with Didi, so you will not talk. Anvit, Arohi, Mahi done. Very good. Rizwan done. Very nice.
Which first drawing?
I'll read out. Don't worry. First drawing is plant. You can see on the chat box also. First plant, second pencil, third cat. Others done, Sundaram done, Rizwan done, Pari, Shlok, very nice, very good. So third, cat. Okay, Billy. Fourth word, the last word, listen carefully. The last word is house, small house. House.
House. Spelling. House.
House. Very fast, very good, done.
You.
This one done. A small house. House. I'll again type all the words so that if you have missed out any word to draw or a thing to draw, you can see again. So your first word is plant or tree. Your second word is anyone you can draw. Either you can draw plant, आप plant भी draw कर सकते हो, tree भी draw कर सकते हो. Your second word is pencil. Your third word is cat. Yeah. And your fourth word is house. See, you can also see on the chat box. All the words are there in front of you. आप words देख सकते हो chat box में. And if you have missed out, आप draw करो. Okay, Shlok is done. Very good. Very nice. Great. I'll give you another 1 minute and then we will stop. Yet another 1 minute and then we are going to stop.
हे पण दे तिकडं. रबर दे.
Your keys are with Didi, no more talking. Otherwise, you are out of the game. Huh? Yes, very good. Very nice. Many students are done with their work. Nandan, Rizwan, Adarsh, Chaitanya, very nice. That's great. Yes. That they will keep their work aside. Everyone. Sheetali.
Small, smaller. Smaller. S E.
Sheetal
Yes, Kajal Didi, your voice was breaking. It was cracking.
Okay, okay. Now is it audible?
Yeah, now it is audible. Yeah.
You can stop the screen, stop sharing.
Okay.
Yes. Kids, so time up. Keep the things aside. You are going to keep your hands back quickly. If you have drawn 2 things, 3 things, it's completely all right. Keep your hands back. Keep your hands back. Okay. Done. Time up. So, now who is going to tell me? I am going to give the key to that person and that person will only say. So, Rizwan, take your key and tell me. Others will not talk because their keys are with me. Only Rizwan will get the key to talk. Rizwan, open your mouth and tell me what were the 4 things. Rizwan, unmute yourself and tell me what were the 4 things. Others will be on mute mode. Only Rizwan. Only Rizwan. Yes, Rizwan. Tell me, Rizwan. Others can type on the chat box quickly. Rizwan, tell me. Okay, let it be. Then can Kritika tell me? Kritika? Kritika?
Tree, pencil, house, cat.
Yes. Plant, pencil, cat and house. Now, my question to you is, you have drawn these things. Yes, Arohi? Arohi? Arohi, look here. So, you have drawn these things, right? Now, tell me, like, we are just going to, like,
Yeah.
yes. Sundaram, be on mute mode. Tell me, like, what were our previous topic? What was our previous topic, children? हमने पिछली बार क्या पढ़ा था? क्या टॉपिक था हमारा? Quickly. What was our previous topic? पिछले बार हमने क्या पढ़ा था? What was our main topic?
Unhealthy food.
हाँ, but what was
Healthy food, unhealthy food.
very good. Okay. I will
Healthy food,
tag
unhealthy food.
Angel. I will tag Angel. Angel, tell me what was our previous topic? Angel.
Animal food.
Shreyash, your keys are with me. Angel. Okay.
Food.
Others can type on the chat box. Angel, tell me what was our previous topic? Main topic क्या था हमारा?
Animal food.
Yes, Shlok, very nice.
Source food.
Source.
Source. Okay, source. But source of what?
Animal and plants.
Animal and plants.
Okay, but what? Animal and plants किसका source था? What was like? It was the source of what? Yes, Mani, Kritika, very good. Arohi, very nice. Yes, Angel.
Animal milk.
Animal milk.
Okay. Okay. So we have got the answers on the chat. Yes. So Shlok, can you tell us? Can you help out Angel that what was the previous topic? Yes, Shlok. Shlok will unmute quickly.
Plant source and animal source.
Yes, great. But what was the main topic, dear? Main topic क्या था हमारा? Yes,
Healthy
Shlok.
food.
Yes. Can you repeat?
Healthy food and unhealthy food.
In that main topic.
Food we eat.
Excellent. Food we eat, Mani. Okay. So our main topic was food we eat, right? Now tell me, we have drawn 4 things, right? हमने ये 4 चीजें draw की. So you will type on the chat box which things need food. Which out of these 4 things, who needs food? हमने 4 चीजें draw की. Plant, pencil, cat, house. So quickly tell me which things need food to eat. कौन सी चीज को फूड चाहिए खाने के लिए? ओके ओके आरवी, कैन यू टेल अस?
Plant.
वेरी गुड. प्लांट एंड ओनली प्लांट?
Plant. Food.
Yes, Himanshi.
Food. Plant and animals.
Plant and animal. Okay. So
Plant.
which is that animal? Which animal you have drawn? क्या draw किया आपने? Yes, Samiksha, very good.
Cat.
Cat, very good, Guria. Yes. Now everybody will be on mute mode quickly. Great. So we have drawn 4 things: plant, pencil, cat, and house. Out of these 4 things, only 2 things, that is plant and cat, need food to eat, right? So why they need food to eat? क्यों खाना चाहिए food? Healthy, सिर्फ healthy? और क्यों चाहिए food?
खाने के लिए.
Okay, they need water also. Yes, पानी भी चाहिए. Why they need water?
Energy के लिए.
Energy. What else? और किस लिए चाहिए उन्हें food या water?
Growth के लिए.
रोज के लिए. Yes. Why रोज के लिए? For example, दीदी.
Growth
Yes,
के
Angel.
लिए.
Yes, Angel. Why they
Didi, they are saying growth.
growth के लिए? Okay, very good.
Growth के
Now
लिए.
mute yourself and Didi will ask you. Mute yourself. Okay, very good. Your keys are with me, so you will be on mute mode. So yes, they need food for energy. They need water for energy. But for example, if Didi, Kajal Didi ने 2 days के लिए ना water पिया, like she has not drunk water, she has not eaten anything, ate anything. काजल दीदी ने 2 दिन तक कुछ खाया नहीं, कुछ पिया नहीं. So what will happen to Kajal Didi? Tell me. Yes, what will happen to Kajal Didi? Pari, tell me what will happen to Kajal Didi if she is not eating or drinking? Yes.
पतले हो जाएंगे.
पतले हो जाएंगे. और फाइनली क्या होगा? इफ खाया ही नहीं मैंने, आई एम नॉट ड्रिंकिंग. यस एंजल.
वीक हो जाएंगे. शरीर में दर्द होगा.
Yes, be on mute mode. Mute mode. तो दीदी पतले हो जाएंगे एंड दीदी विल फाइनली डाई, राइट? तो दीदी को लाइव रहने के लिए, दीदी को जिंदा रहने के लिए, टू लिव शी नीड वाटर, राइट? यस और नो? यस, पतले हो जाएंगे. सो टेल मी चिल्ड्रन, कैट, प्लांट और दीदी को yes tell me children, cat, plant and like plant and Didi needs food and water, right? कैट को, प्लांट को, दीदी को फूड और पानी चाहिए, एयर चाहिए टू ब्रीथ, राइट? सो इफ आई गिव पेंसिल एंड हाउस, पेंसिल और हाउस को भी चाहिए वाटर एंड फूड. If I give food and water, will it be okay to house and pencil? Why no? Mahi, tell me why no? Yes, Mahi. Mahi, unmute yourself. Tell me why no? क्यों नहीं चाहिए? They are also thing ना, वो भी, उनको भी जरूरत है ग्रो करने के लिए. Why pencil and like?
She is not animal.
Yes, Adarsh. Adarsh, repeat your answer, beta. Adarsh.
मैं बोलूं? She
Yes,
is
tell
not
me.
animal and plant.
Okay, they are not animal and plant. Okay, so what are they then? वो plant नहीं है, animal नहीं है. What are they? Yes, Chaitanya.
Kiran,
Chaitanya.
They are non-living things. Non-living things.
First of all, unmute yourself. Mute yourself, children. Everybody. Otherwise, Didi will not take your answers, one by one. So first, Chaitanya answer, and you will not listen to your mummy and papa. You will say on your own, Chaitanya. Tell me why I will not give food and water to house and pencil. क्यों नहीं दूंगी मैं? If I need food and water, pencil also needs food and water, ना? तो मैं पेंसिल को खाना खिलाऊं, पानी दूं? Tell me, Chaitanya. Will it be okay?
मॅम
हाँ?
निर्जीव म्हणजे तो आम्ही त्याला निर्माण केलं आणि जीव म्हणजे आम्ही जगलोय.
Okay, okay. Can you say it in Hindi?
सजीव आहे.
Yes, yes. जीव means what? जीव मतलब क्या?
म्हणजे की आपला जे आत्मा, आपला जे श्वास असतो तो जर थांबला तर आम्ही मरून जातो.
Okay, we will die. So we have life. Yes or no? We have life. So plants, animal, Kajal Didi, Sheetal Didi, you all have life. So we need this thing to live. And pencil, house, they do not have life. So what are they called? जिनको life नहीं रहती, what are they called?
मैम वो तो मरते ही नहीं, अगर उनका एक हिस्सा टूट गया तो हम मर जाते हैं.
हाँ, okay. So what are they called, बेटा? उनको क्या कहते हैं? What are they called? If they do not have life. Non-living. Very good, Archana. Yes. This mobile. If I beat this mobile, if I like, break this mobile, ये सिर्फ टूट जाएगा, right? But can I feed this? Can I pour water on this? No. Why? Because this is non-living. इसमें जान ही नहीं है. If I beat him, will this mobile speak? No. But if I beat you, I mean, if your parents beat you, if you beat your friend, they will shout, nahi, no. Why? Because we get hurt. हमें दर्द होता है. We have life in us, है ना? हमें जान है ना? Yes or no? But do this mobile pen have life? No, they do not have life. So they are called non-living things, right? Yes or no? So what is our today's topic? We are going to learn about. Everyone will be on mute mode. Quickly, we have activities also. So our topic, today's topic is living things and non-living things. Clear? So today in this session, we'll be learning about these two things. So there are two types of things. दो चीजें होते हैं. One is living, जिनमें life होती है, right? And the other thing is non-living, जिसमें life नहीं होती. They are like dead only. Okay. Clear now? Understood? So what are the two types of things? Tell me.
Non-living.
What are those two types of things?
living
Living and non-living.
and non-living.
Great. living and non-living. So you will mute yourself and say loudly. Mute
Non-living
yourself.
thing.
Yes, mute yourself and say loudly. Living and non-living. Say.
Say.
Say living and non-living. Everyone.
Living thing में जानवर आएंगे.
Yes.
जानवर.
Right.
Living thing
Can you
में
see this plant? Can you see this plant, children? Yes or no?
living thing में नहीं जानती.
Yes. Can you see this plant? Type yes or no. Yes, Chaitanya. Okay. So this plant is living. Why it is living? Because we water this plant, we give food to this plant, and then this plant grows. है ना? ये plant grow होता है, right? Why? Because this plant is living. But if can I give water to this pen? Can I give water to this pen?
Non-living.
मैं दूँ?
Non-living.
Yes, non-living. So this pen is non-living. So this pen will not require water and food. But plant require water and food because plant is living like us. है ना? Plant need air, plant needs water, plant needs food. But pen do not require. Pen को नहीं चाहिए. Why? Because pen is non-living. Understood? Clear? Clear है चीजें बेटा?
Yes.
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 So, yes, great. You can type on the chat box. हम chat box use करेंगे. So plant has life, है ना? Pen do not have life. So plant has life. Therefore, it is living. Pen do not have life. So it is non-living. Is it clear, children? Clear?
Yes.
Great. So Didi,
Yes.
can you share the screen? Sheetal ji? I'll keep this plant aside, okay?
Yes.
I
Yes,
have
Didi.
watered this plant, now I am keeping it aside. Yes, next slide, Didi. Yes. So, read this topic name. What is the name of the topic? Living and non-living. Living things and non-living things. What is the name of the topic?
Living and non-living.
Great. Living and non-living. So what are we going to learn in this chapter? So we are going to observe things around them like us and identify living things and non-living things around us. Okay. So our first objective is students will be able to observe things around them, and second, identify living things and non-living things. So I'll give you 1 minute time. Just observe things around you, outside your window, outside, like what is there around you. Just observe. आपको सिर्फ देखना है. Quickly, I'll give you 1 minute time. Quickly. Didi is also going to see what is there outside the window. So Didi is also going to observe. You also observe. Observe things.
Non-living.
Only observe thing. Living thing, non-living thing हम बाद में देखेंगे. First आपको सिर्फ observe करना है. Quickly. For that, you can also get up from your place and just observe. आप उठकर भी चीजें देख सकते हो. No problem. If you are done, just put thumbs up like ROE. Great. Mahi done. You can type on the chat box if you are done. अगर आपने सारी चीजें ऑब्जर्व कर लिए हैं तो यू कैन पुट थम्स अप. दीदी ने भी ऑब्जर्व कर लिए. शीतल दीदी, डिड यू ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स अराउंड यू? We will ask Sheetal Didi also.
Yes, Didi. Yes.
Yes,
I am
great. Sheetal
also-
Didi has also observed things
Yeah, I
around her.
observed.
Great. Okay. Others will be on mute mode. Karthik, tell me what all things you have observed, beta. क्या क्या देखा अपने आपके सराउंडिंग में? And we will also share. Didi will also share. First you will share and then Didi will share. Tell me, Karthik.
Animal.
Okay, which animal you have seen around you? कौन सा animal देखा बेटा आपने?
Birds.
Birds. Okay, very good. Then. Okay, Didi will also type on the chat box of what you have seen. So Karthik, observe. और क्या देखा आपने? Birds. What else?
Dog.
Dog.
And
Okay. And
fish.
okay. And what else?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. Fish आपने कहाँ देखा बेटा?
हाँ?
Fish आपने कहाँ देखी?
Friends के घर पे.
What else? Birds, dog, and fish and
And
okay. So excellent. So you can see on the chat box also. Karthik observe birds, dog, and fish. Very good. So I tag Himanshu. Himanshu, unmute yourself. Only Himanshu will say, huh? Himanshu, tell me bird, dog, and fish. What are these things? इन्हें क्या कहेंगे हम? Identify these things. Only Himanshu. Do not break the rule. Yes, Himanshu, हम क्या कहेंगे? What are birds, dog, and fish? Identify them. Yes.
कभी आ रही है? Dog.
Yes, tell me, Himanshu, what are these things? Others can type on the chat box. What are these 4 things, beta? Yes, Himanshu. Are these living or non-living? Living. Very good.
Dog.
Yes.
Dog.
Very good. So these are what? Living things. So what Karthik has observed, Karthik ने 4 चीजें देखी, right? Living, birds, dog, ant and fish. And these 4 things are living. Why they are living? Tell me, क्यों living है? Yes. Why they are living?
खाता है, खाना खाता है.
Yes. They have life in them. ना उनमें life है. They need water. They need food to eat, right? So we will see some more living things and non-living things. Didi, next slide. Yes, dog and cat. Yes, here are few examples of living things and non-living things. So you can see living are what? You can see a family, then horse, elephant, fish, bird, trees. These are what? Snakes, cat. These are what? These are living things. They have life in them. They drink water. These are called. So these things do not need water, air. So they are called non-living things. What are they? They are table, socks, car, doll, comb, right? Yes or no? So these are what? These are non-living things. They do not have life in them. Clear? Is it clear, children? आपको समझ में आया what is living and what is non-living? If yes, you can type on the chat box or put thumbs up. Quickly.
Didi, we have a few minutes, just 2 minutes left. So after that, we can ask children to join back.
Okay, sure. Okay, so 2 minutes, na, Didi?
Yeah. 2 minutes are left.
Okay. So I have. Okay, you can stop sharing. Yes, Didi, you can stop sharing. Okay. So children, there is one small game for you. Clear? So Didi will be showing you few things. First of all, can you see these two nameplates? Can you see these two plates?
मैम आपका वीडियो क्लोज है.
Can you see these two plates, children? What are these?
Yes.
Okay. See, this is, what is this?
Living things. Living
So
things.
I am keeping living things here. And what is this?
Non-living things.
Non, what is this? Non-living. I am keeping non-living here.
Living
Yes.
things.
Great. Now I am going to show you few things. You are going to tell me, is it living or is it non-living? And I will keep there. Okay. So the first thing is, what is this?
Spoon. Non-living.
Very good. I did.
Non-living.
Yes.
Non-living things.
Yes. Mute yourself and okay. Non-living. So I will keep this
Non-living things.
onto non-living things. Very good. Now the next thing is very interesting one. Tell me
Non-living
what is this?
Non-living things. Life. Living things. Not living things.